Hello, welcome to our image to video maker. Unlike make video, various many image to you can make video. Our services image to regular video, image to panoramic video, image to here. Here example tips and terms and you can should be read our terms and condition. This is our website is full website is details full this reading. This is premium member and this feature is should be. Now I can show you how can make a register. যদি you have already যদি you have already user, then you can click login. যদি you have new user, then you can make online registration. Then click. Then you can use Johnny Papa. Username you can put your email address like Gmail. You can fill up this form and you can put your password second, and you want to the premium member, then you can select first one, and you want one time free, only one time, then you can click you can free, then go register. Please be waiting, please wait. Now you can, when click register, then you can get this PayPal, and you can pay your PayPal account to this $20. Then you will register for payment. When the payment is completed, then you will get username and password, your email, and your payment is completed and your account is activated. Then you can go this. That is only for that is register. Now I can show you how যদি you have already registered, then how can you log in this website and use to our utility. First click login, then you can put your username or password, then click login. Then you will get this screen too. You can go click image to image maker regular, click here. Then you can type your test like test, and click published. You can click publish, then you will get your page. You can click new, and you can click here. You can click here and you will get this. When you click, then you will click here and you will this carousel, and you will add your image. How many images you want to make, like this. And this way to image, regular image, you can movement in this make. Okay, this way. Yes. And you can make video to panoramic video to here, and you go image to here, click, then you will get option this, click span, then you here write my your this guy, then this my 0, like, and now you can get this option too. You can make your image many images, মানে at least 20 images. যদি you provide good more 20 images, then you will get good output. If you input 20 images, then you will get output is good. Then add here image to more image. This you can upload, this uploads, and here to upload your file. Then here to you can control the size. How can size you want to this panoramic and here video. Here to you can control, and okay, you can see show you, like you can see. Okay, you can look this. We have sample, and we import is what's looking like. You can see different 20 images look like, and that just a moment, can some more images, so it's can loading. You can add it to your image, and your images is good, then you get output is good. You have to panoramic, and you can make here also this option too. You can make also this. You can here to add lot of images. Look, you can remove, you can want to remove this look, this is output what's looking. You can see look, this is movement. You can look, this is movement. You can see when you can use this, and this is after you can save, and you can use. And how can you use this your website? This you can use this video. It look like, and it show you something else, and we can see look here to more option, which option you want to use. Head to size, you can see what look video sample example, some video set footage. sorry for that, internet is slow, so it will takes time. You can see here to your VR panoramic, you can control the size, what type of what type you want to need, and you see, look, 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 look. When you can use this automating this stroke. That's all. Thank you very much for watching video.